Very good morning, dear guys. I welcome you to the class. Today we are going to continue the same story written by James Herriot, that is A Triumph of Surgery. And here in our last one video lecture we have seen the characters and the plot of the story. Yes, today we are going to see the story in details. Okay, so let's see what is there in the story A Triumph of Surgery. Okay, so look at there in the beginning an introduction is given there. So in the introductory part, look at there what is given. Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. Okay, so look at in the introductory part, it is given, as we have seen already, the plot of the story. There is a dog, Tricky, who was pampered and severely ill due to the overfeeding. Yes, due to the overfeeding by his mistress, rich mistress, wealthy mistress. So look at that is given here. Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress, as I told you. He falls seriously ill and his mistress consult a veterinary surgeon. Okay, veterinary surgeon, that means veteran. Okay, so here as he fell seriously ill, the mistress consulted the veteran surgeon. Okay, or that means we can say the vet. So then what happened? Does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover? So after reading the story, we have to find out whether the dog was recovered or not, whether he operate any operation or not. We have to find out. Okay, as we have already seen in the plot. Yes, what he did with the dog, whether he was cured or not. Actually, we have done all this before, but still, let's see what is there. So here, I begin the story. I was really worried about Tricky this time. That means here, once when the writer was going on somewhere in his car, he noticed Tricky. He found Tricky on the road, who was bloated like sausage, very fat, hugely fat. Look at what he said. I was really worried about Tricky. Here the writer, as I told you, the speaker is James Herriot. Okay, here narrator is the writer himself. The writer himself is the speaker here. Here he says, I was really worried about Tricky. Tricky के लिए बहुत परेशान थे. This time means when he saw the dog Tricky. जब उन्होंने डॉग ट्रिकी को देखे उस समय परेशान हो गए थे. क्यों? Because I had pulled up my car. अब यहाँ रीजन भी दिया हुआ है कि क्यों वो वरीड हुए थे. But later on look at there what is given. I had pulled up my car. Pulled up my car means he stopped his car when he saw him in the street with his mistress. When the writer, when the speaker, when the narrator, James Herriot saw the dog, he stopped his car. When he saw the dog with his mistress in the street, he stopped his car. He was shocked at his appearance. He was shocked. Yes, look at there. And after this, it is given why he was worried about the Tricky. Yes, why he was worried about the Tricky? Because he found that, or he saw that the dog had become hugely fat. What made him worried? Okay, what made him worried? That question can be there. What made, he means the writer. Okay, what made James Herriot worried about the dog? tricky. Okay, question can be there. So what is that? The appearance of the dog. The appearance. Okay, the appearance of the dog made him worried. In a word you can say the appearance of the dog. But in detail you can say what made him worried. He found that the dog was hugely fat. Look at there, hugely fat. The first one, feature of the dog. Second one, he was fat like a bloated sausage. Bloated, yes, bloated sausage. He was fat like a bloated sausage. Bloated sausage means it is a food we can say जो एकदम फुला होता है और जिसके चार ऐसे पैर जैसे कुछ निकले रहते हैं, like that. Actually sausage, it is a kind of food. So here it was like क्या बोला जा सकता है. So it was like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. With a leg at each corner. हर कॉर्नर पे एक पैर हो इस प्रकार का. It was hugely fat, which made the writer worried about the dog. His eyes, another thing. Okay, the first one was hugely fatness. Second one was his eyes bloodshot and rheumy. Eyes bloodshot, yes, bloodshot and rheumy. Okay, bloodshot and rheumy means watery. His eyes were rheumy, bloodshot, एकदम रेडिश पूरी लाल आंखें पानी भरी हुई. And then stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. Yes, so here it is said he stared straight, सीधा ही देख पा रहा था, इधर उधर बिल्कुल नहीं. Why? Because he was bloated like sausage, और he was hugely fat like bloated sausage. एक bloated sausage की तरह एकदम फूला हुआ. वो जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि उसका पेट से लेके गर्दन से लेके मुंह सारा का सारा एक साइज में. एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज अनेबल टू व्हाट कैन से मूव हियर और देयर इंस्टेंटली आपसे इधर उधर मूव नहीं हो पा रहा था. And that's why he was just looking straight. Yes, and that's why. And another thing is his jaw. Okay, look at there. His tongue lolled from his jaws. उसकी जो टंग थी ऐसी बाहर निकली हुई थी जॉ से. So this appearance made James Herriot worried about the dog. Yes, and it was first time, okay, when he saw the dog in the street with his mistress. He stopped his car when he saw this appearance of the dog. And look there, then what was the reply, or what was the reaction of the dog, or the suggestion to the lady. Okay, look at there. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. He was so listless, Mr. Herriot. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition, so I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. Some malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. So look at there. When the writer stopped his car and asked the lady, or when he inquired about the dog, the condition of the dog, and it is obvious that he was veteran, and that's why he was worried for the dog. So when he saw the serious condition of the dog, we can say, or for him it was serious. Okay, actually he knew it is not good for the dog. Such appearance, such huge fatness was not good for the dog, and that's why he stopped his car and asked the lady about the dog. So there, look at that, the reply of that rich wealthy lady, Mrs. Pumphrey. What she said, or he told him that, sorry, she told him that he was so listless means without energy. He was without energy. यहाँ देखो लेडी क्या एक्सप्लेन करती है. सी एक्सप्लेन, जब उसने उसकी कंडीशन के बारे में पूछा तो वो बताती है कि ही वॉज सो लिस्टलेस, वो बहुत एनर्जी लेस हो चुका था. देर वॉज नो एनर्जी इन हिम. मिस्टर हैरियोट, ही सीम टू हैव नो एनर्जी. लिस्टलेस, नो एनर्जी, सेम वर्ड्स, ओके, सेम मीनिंग. देन आई थॉट ही मस्ट बी सफरिंग फ्रॉम मॉल न्यूट्रिशन एंड दैट्स वाई एज ही वॉज लिस्टलेस, बिल्कुल भी एनर्जी नहीं थी ऐसा लग रहा था. And that's why I thought it was means he was suffering from malnutrition. और इसलिए मुझे लगा कि ये malnutrition से, कुपोषण से, malnutrition, कुपोषण, ओके, lack of food वगैरह जो होता है, that is called malnutrition. So she thought that he was suffering from malnutrition, and that's why she started giving him some little extras. She started giving him some little extras like malt, cod liver oil and bowl of Horlicks. Not much, बस इतना ही मैं देती थी. This way she explained the diet she increased in the meals of the dog. And why? Because there she thought it was listless. क्यों? क्योंकि वो सोचती थी कि वो listless हो चुका है, tired हो चुका है. And that's why she started giving him extra food, what you can say, the food items like Horlicks, cod liver oil and malt. Okay, so this way, malt means actually grains, okay, जो grain होते हैं ना उस प्रकार का. So she started giving him extras between the meals. भोजन के बीच में उसको ये सारी चीजें वो देना शुरू कर दी. And that's why, due to that only, he was hugely fat. He had become hugely fat. Then look at there, what happened. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? So there, the doctor, James Herriot, ask her whether she cut down the sweets as he told her. जैसे उसने कहा था उसे कि नहीं, उसका खाना कम करो, स्वीट्स उसको मत दो. He had already advised her to cut down his sweets. That means he was her family doctor हम बोल सकते हैं. और इसीलिए उनको सारा हिस्ट्री पता था उस डॉग का, सारी चीज़ें पता थी. प्रीवियसली इन्होंने विजिट किया होगा. एंड दैट टाइम ही एडवाइज्ड हर टू कट डाउन हिज स्वीट्स. बट लुक एट द व्हाट शी रिप्लाइड. ओह, आई डिड फॉर अ बीट. हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत मैंने किया था. आई कट डाउन. There means Mrs. Pumphrey says yes, she had cut down his sweets for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak. लेकिन वो कट करने के बाद ऐसा लगा कि he became so weak, yes, tired, yes, listless, and I had to relent. So as it seemed that he became tired, listless, so I had to relent. Means I had to be softened. मुझे सॉफ्ट होना पड़ा. Yes, I had to start giving him again the sweets. Why? Because he seemed so weak. He seemed so listless, without energy, and that's why I started giving him extras. He does love cream cakes and chocolates, so I can't bear to refuse him. as the doctor advised her to cut down the sweets, but here the lady was unable to refuse his demands, the demands of the dogs. Why? Because the dog Tricky loved cakes, cream cakes and chocolates so much. Yes, so here she said she did not deny the dog. उस डॉग को डिनाई नहीं कर पाई. Why? Because she loved the dog very much. क्योंकि डॉग से बहुत प्यार करती थी. So here by this you can understand that she was loving and caring. She loved the dog a lot. She cared the dog. She cared. Yes, she looked after the dog very much. And that's why she could not refuse the dog and gave the cream cakes, chocolates and even some extras. Yes, as she said, she added some extras. Okay, then what happened? Look at there. I looked down again at the little dog. The writer James Herriot looked down again at the dog towards his condition, and then that was the trouble. And there the doctor realized that this hugely fatness would be the real trouble. Would be the real trouble for the dog. This hugely fatness would be the real trouble for the dog. The doctor knew it. Yes, and then look at that. What happened? Tricky's only fault was greed, and the only fault of the dog was greed. लालच. Greed means लालच. तो उस डॉग के अंदर में जो लालच था खाने का, क्रीम केक्स, चॉकलेट्स. So that was the only fault of the dog. And then look at there. He had never been known to refuse food. That means he never denied to have food. Yes, means जब भी उसको खाना दिया जाता था, फिर वो कोई भी टाइम हो कुछ भी दिया जाए, he was, what you can say, he was eating everything whatever was given to him. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. Yes, look at that. Very promptly the writer has used there the word tackle. Okay, tackle actually ये एक ऐसा वर्ड है कि जिसमें हम बोलते हैं कि किसी चीज़ को हम, जो कोई दिक्कतें आ जाती है, चैलेंजेस आ जाते हैं, तो उसको हम कैसे, या डिफिकल्टी आती है तो उससे जो फेस करते हैं, ऐसी चीज़ के लिए हम टैकल वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं. बट हियर द राइटर यूज दिस वर्ड फॉर द डॉग. यस, he beautifully tackle. Yes, look at there. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day. कोई भी टाइम दिन के या रात के हो, he would tackle the meal. कोई भी मील दे दो उसे, he would tackle it. मतलब बहुत अच्छे तरीके से टैकल करके वो खाना खा लेता था, कैसे भी करके हो, तुम कभी भी दो, बट he would eat it. कोई भी टाइम दे दो, खाएगा जरूर. And I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. Means here the doctor was in doubt. Means he had a doubt. She had not mentioned the other things she was giving. मतलब इसको डाउट था कि she was giving many more than she mentioned. जितना उसने मेंशन किया था उससे भी कई ज़्यादा वो देती रही होगी. The doctor had doubt. Yes, the doctor had doubt that she had not mentioned all the things that she was giving. Yes, so for that here he says the doctor was wondered about all the things that were not mentioned by the lady. Means many more things were there, many more items were there that were given to the dog. Okay, and then look at there what is given. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Here the writer, means James Herriot, asked the lady again another question, whether she was giving him exercises. Means whether she was giving him plenty of exercise. Whether she was giving, मतलब इतना खिला तो रही है तो एक्सरसाइज भी करवा रही है क्या. So look at that again. Reply of the lady. Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see, but Hawking the gardener has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. Lately means recently. So as there she said yes, exercise. When the writer James Herriot asked the lady about the exercise, so there she said yes, the dog was having little bit exercise, as you can see now, means that as he could see now, means then he could see then, मतलब उस समय जो देख पा रहा था कि a little bit walk with the मिस्ट्रेस द रिच लेडी मिसिस पंपरी के साथ जो थोड़ा बहुत चल लेता था, दैट वॉज द ओनली एक्सरसाइज द डॉग वॉज हैविंग, दैट वॉज द ओनली एक्सरसाइज, अ लिटल बिट वॉक विद द लेडी. And there again she said as Hodgin the garden, okay, Hodgin, the name of gardener is Hodgin, okay, the gardener of the lady. So here she said that, or here she mentioned that he was down with lumbago. Lumbago means it is pain in muscles and joints. Okay, अपने जो joints में pain होती है, that is called lumbago. So here the gardener was down with lumbago, means वो जो गार्डनर था वो उसकी तबीयत खराब थी, उसके जॉइंट्स में पेन थे, एंड दैट्स वाई ही वॉज नॉट कमिंग और ही वॉज नॉट गिविंग द डॉग द एक्सरसाइज. एंड व्हाट वाज दैट? रिंग थ्रोइंग एक्सरसाइज. रिंग फेंकने वाला जो एक्सरसाइज हम डॉग के साथ जनरली खेलते हैं. सो हियर बट लेटली इट वॉज नॉट गोइंग ऑन, और ये भी अभी बंद है फिलहाल में. So this way here she said him or reported him the exercises which were given to the dog. And what were they? What were these? The only exercises there, a little bit walk with Mrs. Pumphrey. Yes, there was again another ring throwing, but it was not going on those days. Why? Because the gardener was ill. Yes, down with lumbago, and that's why only. Okay, so dear, I stop myself here. The remaining part we will do in our next video lecture. Okay guys, so see you soon. Bye bye. Keep watching the videos and enjoy the classes.